Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install quick climbing mod in Dying Light the Beast. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to the login page. Just need to log into this site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the create a register option and create a new account and then select the slow download option and it will download done. After the download done, right click and select printer extract to getting extract done, double click on the extract folder. Now left and right, navigate to the game folder, double click on the ph underscore ft source, paste, just drag and drop the file we downloaded and then just close it up here and open the game. And now I feel like the climbing speed has been increased, as you can see. So like a flash, I'm moving, and the mod actually worked, guys. And that's how you can install this mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.